Hey guys, it's Adrian from SAnatomy.com, and it's going to be a very quick one. So if you visit our website at SAnatomy.com, now you can get a new complete anatomy model bundle special, which will only be available for 5 maximum people. So we actually have been updating or actually uploading our new complete anatomy models, which will include skinny, fat, black and white, male and female human anatomy models, which will be available on our website as we update them. So the promo is only available for $299. The normal price is $2,099. So then we've removed 19 over here, so you're actually saving a lot with this. So you can download the model over here to purchase it, or you can view more the reviewers like these. Let's say you want to see all the body systems will be included: the skin, the skeletal system, internal organs, the lymphatic system, nervous system, and the cardiovascular system. And if you click on the 3 viewers, these are the 3 viewers that you can view to help you better understand what you get with your purchase. So you can pan around and do some quick inspections on these guys as you please. So if you guys have any further questions, don't forget to comment down in the section below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any future videos. And again, it's Adrian from SAnatomy.com. See you guys in the next one.